Sophia. Today we're going to make flour hot dog buns. What you're going to need: yeast. You're going to need flour. You're going to need eggs. You're going to need butter, a bowl, hot dogs, and sugar. So we're going to need 3/4 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. You're going to put the yeast. Then you're going to put in the warm water. Make sure it's warm water. It activates the yeast. Now we're going to stir it. Stir, stir, stir your boat gently down the stream. Stirry, 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 stir, 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 stir. Now we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. So now we let it sit for 5 minutes. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. And then next we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoons melted butter. 1 egg. Then 4 cups of flour. That's 1 cup. We're gonna add the whole thing now. Whole containers. Now we're gonna mix. Now we're gonna mix the dough. Mixy, 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 mix. Mixing down the stream. We're mixing the dough with everything. And mixy, mixy, mixy. Mix and mix and mix. We're mixing, we're mixing, we're mixing the dough. We're mixing. Now that we got it mixed up and it's in a bowl, we're gonna cover it with the paper towel and let it proof for 1 hour. Now we're gonna put it by the oven so it'll proof better. So now it's done proofing. We're gonna see if it's big. That means it's ready to roll out. And if it's still small, it did not work. The big reveal. 3, 2, 1. It got big. Look at this. This thing's like a whole human body. Let's take her out. Let's move the napkin. Let's take her out. Yep, nice and ready. Let's kind of knead it a little bit. I'm gonna cut it into 2 sections and make sure to be very careful. too. But make sure that it's pinched tight. Nice and cozy. See, that's falling apart. We need to pinch. Let's fix that. Pinch again. Pinchy, 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 Now that's marked, it's time to do our flower design. Make sure it's not all the way through. It goes halfway. So you go back and forth like this. Make sure you don't go all the way to the bottom. So now we're going to do the flower design. So you're going to flip it and then go like that with your hot dog. It's okay if the hot dog falls out, you can put it back in. Make your flower design. If you want to do a different design, that's fine with me. But you can do any flower design you want. Just take this over. Like that. And then that part's done. Now we're going to put it like this. Take the hot dog and put it in for a little center. Now I'm gonna pick it up, put it on the tray. Now we're gonna put on the egg wash and beat them. Now we're doing the egg wash. You're gonna need an egg, your bowl, and a spoon. So first thing you have to do, drop your eggie. Put it on in there. Sprinkle it on there. Let's get it all on there. Put lots of pepper on my dance. I don't like pepper that much. This one kind of looks like a monkey. See? Monkey is better. I don't know. Now we're going to put some pepper on grandma's and grandpa's and some on my dad's. Maybe a little on mine. I don't like pepper that much. Now it's time to bake them at 360 degrees for 10 minutes.